Hi, my beautiful people. I hope everyone is doing well. I'm back with another video. This time we're doing color and wash and style. So as you guys can see, I'm doing strand tests on my client's hair. She's natural with beautiful curls, so I always want to make sure that I do 2 strand tests, one around the front, one around the back, because that would tell me if they have colored their hair before, or how strong their hair is. Is her curl still gonna be intact? Is it okay to color her hair? Is it strong enough? There's a lot of things that a strand test could tell me about the hair, the health of the hair. So I always like to do strand tests, especially if I have not done their hair in a while, or if they're new clients and I'm not familiar with their hair, then I always try to do a strand test. And a lot of times we ask the history of our client's hair before we color it, but sometimes they would say, oh no, I haven't colored my hair in a long time, or no, I never colored my hair. And then once we apply color on it, we can tell it's been colored before or is not taking at all. And they'd be like, oh yeah, I forgot that I colored my hair this long ago. And so then we're stuck on trying to fix it in a healthy way and all that stuff. So before I get to that point, I'll always try to do a strand test, and that tells me how far I can go with this color, how strong her hair is, and it saves me time. So she wants a highlight. She want to do a golden highlights throughout her hair. She still wanted to keep her natural color as a base color. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video, and watch until the end, and please subscribe to this channel and share this video, and let me know what you guys want to see next, or what I need to do next. And I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Follow me on Instagram as well at Hairstyles by Eden. And everything that I use is available on my website at stylesbyeden.com. Okay, stylesbyeden.com is the website. At Hairstyles by Eden is my Instagram. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. All right, have a good one.